Okay, so we have our new Mantus marine compressor, and I'm going to show you how to unbox it. So there are 4 screws along the base marked with an open symbol. So we're going to use a screwdriver. Now we can lift the lid off of the compressor. So now we're going to unwrap the compressor. Once you've unwrapped your compressor, you'll find a mat to stabilize the compressor on the floor and lessen vibration. You'll find 2 bags, one with spare parts and one with the valve for the tank and our user manual. Next, we're going to remove the bolts that connect the straps around the compressor. We can now remove the compressor from the bottom. After we've removed the plug for the oil chamber, we're going to use the provided funnel and put in roughly 14 ounces of synthetic 5W30 motor oil. When we've added enough oil, you'll be able to see in this viewport the oil level will be even with the red dot visible through the viewport. Then, after we've filled enough oil, we're going to attach the breather nozzle. Anytime we are operating the compressor, the breather nozzle needs to be attached. When we're moving the compressor or shipping the compressor, you need to have the plug attached to prevent oil leakage. The breather nozzle will prevent pressure buildup within the oil chamber. After adding the oil, reference the user's manual and add 5 liters or 1.3 gallons of water to the unit. You can also add a small amount of bleach or vinegar to the water to keep the unit sanitary. Next, we're going to attach the hose and the tank valve to the unit. After we've attached the valve to a tank, we're ready to fill.